Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Omri. I live in Tel Aviv, Israel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shakshuka, an Israeli shakshuka, and I hope you like it. So to make our amazing shakshuka, we are going to need some chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped red pepper, eggs. I would say 2 per person, and salt, red paprika, ground black pepper, olive oil, chopped garlic, and our little secret, crushed tomatoes. These are going to make our life a lot easier. So let's get to the cooking. We are going to add some olive oil, the more the better. Next, we're going to add in some chopped garlic, minced garlic, as much as you usually prefer. And let it cook a little bit. Step back, babe. Good. Oh my god! Okay, if you didn't die yet, now is the time to add some red pepper and onion. Okay, so now after a few minutes we are going to use our little shortcut and add in the crushed tomatoes. Shabam! Give it a little stir. Alright, so after we've added the crushed tomatoes, we are going to add a little bit of spices. So, a little bit of ground black pepper, turn the fire down a little bit, the heat down, some salt, paprika, and I didn't mention it in the beginning, but if you want to add some extra Middle Eastern flavor, you can add a little bit of cumin. And now we are going to stir a little bit. Alright, so what I like to do is make a little bit of room for eggs. Even if you can't really see it, just make a little hole and add the egg. Oh, that's one. Two. Three. And last but not least, Amazing. So now this is up to you. From here we're just going to cover it and wait until the eggs are cooked, and you can just take it off depending on how you like your eggs. So that's the whole thing. Pretty simple, right? Alright, so voila. This is our shakshuka. Bon appetit.